Famous rapper Rodwave was involved in a near-fatal car
Florida Tampa Bay rapper Rodwave in near-fatal car accident totaling his brand new 2020 C8 Corvette.
I wonder if I could buy this thing. That'd be sick.
Yo, he shows the street where he wrecked it at. We gotta find where he wrecked it. Look, it says right here, MLK Street. That's the wreck right there. Hey, this is what you guys don't know about. Oh, you ready for this?
That carbon.
There's a big ass spider that ran over here too.
Why would you?
That looks like a motor with 1,800 miles on it.
It's the best looking. Let's just keep looking at this part.
So in the last video, you saw us pick up Rodwave C8. In this video, we're finding where he wrecked the C8.
In this video, we're driving the C8.
In his music video, this is through the wires. He shot like the whole music video with the car. I forget what time it is. They put a screenshot of the street that it was on. It says MLK Street. And literally he wrecked, he grew up in this town. We're in St. Petersburg, Florida. I live like 2 hours from here. And we know where that street's at. So we're gonna go to that street and we're gonna try to find where he wrecked it. Just cause we might as well, we're literally right here. So I think it'll be pretty cool. So we're 38 minutes away from MLK Street. Maybe we'll find some parts laying there and stuff, I don't know. So that's pretty much all we know. So let's roll. Gotta look for the pole, I guess, because we're on the street. This street goes for like a long time though.
This looks like a street somebody would speed on.
It is, dude. This is like, I would be flying 110 on this too. All right, let's think about what was Rod thinking. He's like, I'm in my C8. I'm curious to see like what he did, like if he like cut across or like what happened. You know what I mean? The marks might still be there. It was only a couple months ago. So it's a square pole. It's got a light on it. It says push button to cross MLK Street, and we're on MLK Street. So no one's ever done this. Like found the scene of the accident.
Nobody crashed or no?
I think around about 16, but I don't know.
Oh,
They on 16 somewhere.
I appreciate that. Yeah, it is. I just bought it.
Who was that? Who's supposed to be?
I took a picture right before you went to Rick and brought it. How much?
Yeah. I can't say.
How much you think?
Hey, I'm trying to figure out where he wrecked it.
Wait, Wade shit. That's the one
Yes,
you wrecked.
sir.
The one they took with air.
How you
You gotta go straight uphill, and you're gonna run right into it. Yeah, that's big, bro.
I make videos. I'm gonna fix it. I'm make it look brand new.
You gonna look good. I'm gonna give you one of my cars.
What you do?
I'm on the building.
Oh,
I'm cooking
okay.
man. I'm Eric Atwater. Someone took a picture with it right before you wrecked.
Yeah.
They took a picture on it, and then
They
you left
wrecked
to the and wrecked.
What a shame.
Yeah.
But hey, she's gonna look brand new when I'm done.
No, listen, bro. You the man.
He raised him apparently. Like Vista Park. Oh, way over here. Oh, we should have kept going. Look at. So you go down. When we turn around, we're supposed to keep going.
On the restaurant. On my whole life, right here.
Nice.
1960, 1952.
Got you.
Yeah.
Kids eat free.
Every day. We feed them.
Shit,
We
son.
feed the babies. We feed the babies over here.
I like that.
I'm saying Rod Wade, man. That's nephew.
Hey, give him the arm. Give him the arm.
Yeah. Do the arm, bro. We do it like chopper.
I ain't gon' say too much when the niggas speaking on that high the police, cause them they gon' stop it.
Now, number of respect, bro. You got my number? That's big, bro. That's big. And when you get it finished, you gotta bring it back up here.
Hey, with Rod, I'll bring Rod by. And that man came out with bands, with like 10 racks.
Yeah,
5 racks. Like what? He just came out to flex. He's like, yo, what up? That's it, 100%. Look at, there's the palmettos and there's the button right there. Bro, it had to have been right here.
Oh, bro, yeah, look at this chip. Whoa.
Look at, I found the fiberglass. Yo, we found it. Look at it. And now we don't need to buy parts. We found them all. Yo, I don't see the headlight.
Seen the car and I said, nah, that ain't the same car that was on the pole.
Hey, what y'all brought that?
Yeah, I just bought it, yeah.
You brought it from Rod?
No, I didn't buy it from him, I bought it from insurance. But we were just trying to find the spot of where he wrecked it, and we've been looking right now.
I seen that shit, bro.
Yeah?
I seen it when it happened, bro. Bro, I was sitting at the gas station rolling up a joint, right? He came right here, he went down that way.
How fast are you going? You
Bro.
seen it like as it happened?
Bro, I'm sitting here watching.
Yeah.
Like, what the f? Like he was flying, bro. He barely missed this lady coming through the light, bro. Dog, if he wouldn't have hit this curve right here, he would have hit that straight on. He hit this curve, and that's how the car hit to the side like that, bro. Because like he was headed straight for that, bro. But when he jumped the curve, it's already pushed him out. Like that. He literally went down there, turned around, and came back this way. He's probably going about 100. Damn. Straight into that bitch. Shit, but yeah,
there's another piece.
Yeah, so what you about to fix it?
Yeah, I'm about to fix it, make it like brand new again.
So it ain't fuck up the motor or nothing?
Nah, the motor's in the back.
Oh yeah, because the motor's in the fucking back.
Yeah.
I helped you get out the car.
No way.
When his homie came and picked him up, that shit was crazy. Yeah, he was fucked up bad, bro.
It's pretty bad.
You probably gonna spend about 20, 30,000.
I think I'm gonna do it for 10.
About 10.
Yeah, but I have the skills to do it myself.
Oh, you gonna do it yourself? Yeah. So you get the parts, yeah.
This is my dream car. I couldn't buy it new, so I bought it like this, and it's rod, so that's fast. I've been listening to this shit for a minute.
Poor car, he came back to the scene of the crime.
I seen the car, that's why I stopped.
Appreciate that, boss.
Yeah, bro. All right, bro, peace.
Full intact piece.
Oh, dude, we're saving money right now.
That's
We're
like a headlight bulb
a couple
holder.
cents here, a couple cents there. Say this is a successful day. We didn't only find where he hit it. We found people that that guy watched it happen.
He said it was rolling a blunt.
Joint,
He said
a
it was
joint.
rolling a joint.
I thought it was a Lambo. I didn't think it was a Corvette.
I can't. Bro, I had to pee so bad. Oh my god. Bro, this car's crazy. Made it back to the house. It's really late, but we're gonna start this bitch up. It's literally sleep. We were all slumped. Where's the hood prop on this thing?
There's no. It's supposed to be shocks, I'm pretty sure.
I know, I'm kidding. Oh, bro, it's right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. She ain't no Lamborghini. Wait, does red go on black or black goes on red?
Black on red and red on black.
I heard on a CH you gotta go opposite.
Oh my god. Dude, look at that headlight. You can key start it. You can key start it.
You ready for this?
Time check. 12:53. Go in the back, go in the back. I need a little.
Let it.
Like a minute.
This is about it. This third time's always the charm.
Give it a minute.
Ready?
Yep.
We're good? Right. I'm in the cockpit, baby. I'm in the spaceship. Come on!
A little bit more power.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Look at the dash.
Oh my God.
How many codes?
300.
Come on!
This bitch is bad. Oh, yeah.
We need more juice. I'm gonna sleep in here. Matthews, we gotta sleep in here tonight. Remember what you said? All right, Matthews, what do you think? You think that we should get one of these?
We'll live in the C8 and make videos for a year.
Say, you know what they say? They say, you can live in your car
but you can't race your house.
Yeah, you can live in your car, but you can't race your house.
That's true. Bro, I'd live in a car if it looked like this. I'm not gonna lie.
You have jumper cables?
Yeah, ready?
I'm ready. There's some kind of grounding problem though.
Could be due to a bunch of sensors being f***ed up too.
There's gotta be a grounding problem.
It was trying to start though.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, I don't know.
Oh,
Don't let me slide this hat, but I'm going to the beach tomorrow and I'm trying to wear it so I look fresh. So can I borrow it for a day?
Yeah, that